Hello and welcome to Science Today. Today's topic is all about how many moons does Earth have. You might think the answer is straightforward, but the truth is more complicated than you might think. Let's dive in. Of course, the moon we all know and love is Earth's only solid and permanent moon. However, there are other objects that get caught in Earth's orbit, and these are called mini-moons, quasi-satellites, or ghost moons. These can be temporary satellites, space rocks, or even debris from old rockets. So, the number of moons that Earth has is not fixed and can change over time. Did you know that Earth was moonless about 4.5 billion years ago? Then, around 4.4 billion years ago, a Mars-sized protoplanet called Theia struck Earth. The impact sent debris flying into space, which then formed into our current moon. Amazing, right? Some temporary moons are as small as just a few feet across and only stay in Earth's orbit for short periods. However, others can linger for up to 18 months, like the up to 20-foot wide asteroid 2006 RH120. In 2020, we even had a mini-second moon, 2020 CD3, which was a space rock up to 11.5 feet across that spent 3 years in Earth's orbit. But not all objects that orbit Earth are moons. There are also space objects that NASA calls quasi-satellites, such as the asteroid 3753 Cruithne. These space rocks orbit the Sun so similarly to Earth that they stick with our planet throughout its 365-day orbit. The quasi-moon Kamo'olawa is driven primarily by the Sun's gravity, but it appears to orbit Earth in a corkscrew-like path. Another type of object that can be considered a moon is Trojans. These are caught in the unique gravity of the Sun-Earth or Earth-Moon systems, and fall in line with Earth and join its orbit around the Sun. Two Lagrange points, L4 and L5, form an equilateral triangle with Earth, and these points can trap interplanetary dust particles. These are called Kordylewski clouds, or ghost moons. These clouds are dynamic, constantly entering and exiting the dust cloud. But they will never form a more solid moon because the dust can't join or adhere together. So, how many moons does Earth have? It's hard to give an exact number, as the answer changes over time. However, we know that Earth has one permanent moon and a host of other objects that can temporarily orbit our planet. From the mini-moons that come and go to the dust clouds that collect at the Lagrange points. Earth's moon count is much higher than you might think. That's all for today's Science Today. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting science content.